Hi, I'm Francesca Neill, I'm the official makeup artist for Collection, and today we're here with the lovely Josie, who's the winner of the Be The Face competition. We're going to show you how to create the perfect festival makeup look in a few simple steps using Collection's Glam Crystals range. A festival look is all about being playful with colour, so this Glam Crystals palette is perfect for this. To begin, dust the golden shade all over the eyelid, then take the contrasting colour blue along the lower lash line. Mix blue and gold glitter together and apply with a small angled brush to the inner corners of the eyes. To complete the festival eye, add 2 layers of the Lash Surge mascara for a really dramatic finish. Summer skin is all about that glow, so press on the cream highlighter with your fingers for added radiance. Apply the holographic lip topper over your lipstick for a fun 3D effect. Using the glue, apply the loose glitter to the collarbones to finish off this fun festival look. So here's the finished fun festival look.